Welcome to this video on the liquid sugar trap. We'll explore why fruit juice, often considered healthy, can actually stall your weight loss progress. Despite its healthy reputation, juice works against weight loss goals in three distinct ways: fiber theft, fructose overload, and a notable satiety gap. Juicing transforms fruit in ways that impact your metabolism. When you juice, you lose the protective fiber, leaving behind a concentrated liquid of sugar. First, consider fiber theft. Dietary fiber acts as a chaperone for sugar, slowing its entry into your bloodstream. Without fiber, juice causes rapid insulin spikes. Fiber is essentially a metabolic speed limiter. Removing it changes how your body processes the fruit, making juice biochemically similar to a sweetened beverage. Compare an orange to a glass of juice. One contains 3 grams of fiber, while the other contains 0, resulting in a high glycemic load. Our second concern is fructose. Unlike glucose, which is used by cells throughout the body, fructose must be processed directly by the liver. A large dose of fructose, like that found in a glass of juice, can overwhelm the liver, forcing it to convert the excess into fat. This process, known as de novo lipogenesis, converts sugar into fat. Over time, this can contribute to fatty liver disease and increased visceral fat. The dosage matters. A single glass of juice can contain as much fructose as 4 oranges, creating a metabolic flood that the liver cannot handle efficiently. The third mechanism is the satiety gap. Your brain has a blind spot for liquid calories, failing to trigger the same fullness signals as solid foods. Eating 4 whole oranges takes time and effort, triggering satiety hormones. Drinking 4 oranges worth of juice takes seconds, and you'll likely feel hungry again soon. Chewing is vital for satiety. It triggers saliva and early hormonal signals that prepare your body for food. Drinking juice skips this important biological process. Consider the math: 112 calories consumed in 30 seconds with 0 satiety impact. It is a formula that often works against your health goals. Research shows we often undercount liquid calories. Because they don't trigger the same compensatory reduction in food intake, juice calories remain invisible to your appetite system. These 3 mechanisms work together to create a triple threat against weight loss. Despite its healthy reputation, juice is a leading source of hidden calories. But what about the vitamins? Yes, juice contains micronutrients, but the trade-off is high. You can get the same nutrients from whole fruit without the metabolic consequences. Research supports this. The Harvard Nurses' Health Study found juice linked to higher diabetes risk, while whole fruit was associated with lower risk. Nature packaged fruit perfectly for our biology. By eating whole fruit, you keep fiber intact, slow down sugar delivery, and keep your satiety signals engaged. If you love juice, try these strategies. Cut your portions, blend whole fruit instead of juicing it, pair juice with protein or fat, or simply eat the fruit. Here are some simple swaps. Instead of 12 ounces of orange juice, try 1 whole orange and a glass of water for better fiber and lower fructose. Smoothies are a middle ground. If you blend whole fruit, you retain some fiber. Just keep portions small and add protein or healthy fat to slow digestion. Watch out for hidden juice. It appears in yogurts, granola bars, and sauces, often marketed as a healthy sweetener, but it impacts your blood sugar just the same. When reading labels, be wary of terms like fruit juice concentrate or sweetened with fruit. These are just different ways to describe added sugar. Reducing juice is a high-leverage change. By choosing the whole fruit, you can stabilize blood sugar and decrease fat storage without feeling deprived. By understanding the mechanisms of the liquid sugar trap, you are better equipped to make informed choices that align with your health and weight loss goals. Common questions: is fresh squeezed better? Nutritionally, yes, but metabolically, it still poses the same sugar loading risk as store-bought versions. For children, guidelines are strict. No juice for those under 1, and very limited amounts thereafter. Their developing metabolic systems are sensitive to high fructose loads. In summary, keep the fiber, respect your liver, recognize liquid calories, and choose whole fruit. It's the most effective strategy for your health. Make the switch today. Replace your morning juice with whole fruit and water. It's a simple, evidence-based habit to support your long-term wellness. This program was brought to you by the Series of Thoughts team as part of the Health and Wellness